Welcome back. Let's complete the last lesson by using select box to be able to select tags. Right now, if I want to add a post, you can see right here I just have a normal HTML select. We don't want this, right? It's not really the best. So we're just gonna come to Google and we're gonna search for Select2. So Select2 is a jQuery plugin that can help us just have, a fancier select. So you're gonna come to select documentation and you wanna come down to dynamic option creation. And this is what we need right here. So you can see we can select using this kind of select. It's kind of, better per se. So we're going to come to getting started to copy the CDN links. So go to the installation. Then we're going to copy the link to the CSS. So I'll just come to my create.blade.php for post. And at the bottom, I'm going to paste the link for the select. Then I'm gonna copy the script and I'll paste it right there. Awesome. So now what's the next step? Let's go to the next page to see the basic usage, and you can see all we need to do is have the document.ready and then pass in the class that we want to use for select and call select2, and that's it. So let's try that. I'm just gonna come right here and under the flat picker I'm just going to add document.ready and pass in the name of my class, which is going to be tags selector. And I'm going to copy this class. Okay, so when the document is ready, simply call select2 on this tag selector. So I'll come right here to my tags selector. I'm just going to pass in a class. So form control and tag selector. Let's see that in action. If I come right now, refresh, you can see that it's a tags. Great. And out of the box, it just works like magic. Okay, so just like that, you can see we have a select box and it just works. And this is really awesome because if we create a post, we have to actually provide the data for creating a post, right? So let's go ahead and create the post. I'm just going to look for my Lipsum site, my favorite site. Then I'm going to copy some dummy text. But I'm just going to make sure I use this title, copy some description, paste it right there. Then I'm going to copy some content. And then I'm going to scroll right down right here for publish that. I'm going to select a date, choose a file for this post, and then web development, select that. And tags are not compulsory, but I'm just going to select 3 tags right there. Create post. Awesome. So you can see it actually works as expected. If we visit our tags, you can see that these ones are associated with 2 posts each. Awesome. All right. This guys works perfectly. Thank you so much and see you.